Whoa, all that cursing, yo, we're live. Show up.
So today, we got a package from Latvia from our homies at CliqTuning. We're prepping the 318 Ti for Super D Cup in Cali. But that was just a brace. Dude, these are for real about no boxing. Last time I did a video, it was like 20 minutes of unboxing and stuff.
I mean, it's coming from Latvia, right?
Yeah, right? I mean, I'm glad it just shows like that they take pride in their shit. More tape.
Where's Latvia at anyway? Isn't it like...
It's an Eastern European country.
There you go.
Former Soviet Union.
The more you know.
So in this package is a couple things for Chelsea's E36, which you guys have seen in the background not being worked on for the last year. And oh yeah, let's carefully set this so it doesn't explode all over the place. Hey, don't cut. Decals here. You heard that? Cut on this side then. Yep. Probably go up all the way, get some lighting in here.
Taco. Hey, Taco. You're the real superstar. Nobody gives a damn about Chelsea, right? Yes, we only want to come see you.
Where was that? Yeah, for Chelsea's car. I'm assuming that this is the decals right here. Oh no, it's just extra backing. They probably watched our other video and watched me cut the other box open. So they were like, let's put a warning in here. And so that was just like razor blade salvation, just like, getting wild with it. Joey boy getting down over here. What do we got? Are these TI? Are these coupe? Or what are these? Or sedan, let me rephrase that. I don't know which ones these are. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. I was concerned it was gonna work with my crazy wheel fitment, but I think it's gonna work.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to be a problem.
No, it's super flexible too, which will be nice because I'm total asshole when I drive. And my biggest fear with the Aero is like, is this gonna make my car less fun to drive? Because it's gonna be super low and stupid. And so having it be flexible helps me tremendously, and probably them from having to ship me a bunch of replacement fenders. So I think the TI and the sedan front fenders are the same. These have good weave. They laid the fiberglass good. You see the inside of them?
I'm not in the right mindset for looking. Hey.
Ayo. Man, we gotta get these fronts on today because this is already. I guess everything's cut. All we literally need to do is rib none of them on. What is this? Oh, this is the rear over. That's why the gas door is there.
Hey, gentlemen, that's where your gas source goes today.
Damn! Your boy!
Sedan door.
The sedan? Oh yeah, back door.
Every time Dylan goes to the gas station, it's like it's a whole big thing.
CliqTuning
Man.
Nation.
CliqTuning Nation. You know Chris is like, when Dylan's not there, he's like, where the hell is my CliqTuning tool?
Hashtag cut the hole.
Dude, these are some long johns, huh? Whoever they have working in the back packaging this shit is for real. All right. Oh, we have the overfender still on in the back.
Yeah, we have to take them Jones off.
Yeah.
And
This is about to be tight though.
so what? Some of this stuff is Chelsea's. Chelsea.
Yeah, those are Chelsea's. Everything he's unpacking is for sedan. Oh, I found the stickers. I'm stuck.
Like aircraft, ready fiberglass. Nice.
This shit is stuck.
I don't even know why he's doing it. He's just gonna mess it all up again. Dude. What?
We need, I'm not gonna tell you how to shoot, but shoot from the sun. So those stickers were in one of these deals. Well, there's the TI rear bumper. So much packing material. It's ya bitch. Chelsea DeNova and CliqTuning. And a golden envelope, dude. They're all about it, huh? Blingin'. Oh man. Some more stickers. Little handwritten Johnny. Where's your Aero, bro? Again, sorry for the delay. Can't wait to see how everything is going to look. Gonna be awesome. We didn't include the lower strut bar. We sold out again. No biggie. It's all good. Good luck with the install and keep sending it. And good luck. I don't know what that means. Good luck to the princess as well. You're the man. P.S. Her overs rear are adjustable. You can either add spacers or sand it out if you want to change the booty. All right. I'll have to hit you up on that because I don't really understand, but it might be self-explanatory when we get in there. Got some more stickers. Some CliqTuning Johnskis. And then we got some bigger ones, and their whole slogan is "It's your bitch."
They put some effort into that, bro. Like,
Dude. For real. Huh? Uh-oh. Well, that's just tape. I'm trying to get the tape off of this. It's T.I., you bish. You heard? Word to the big bird. One of the few people that spells my name correct.
what, they usually mess it up?
Everybody always spells my name wrong. Dude, they're so for real packaging. It's ridiculous.
12 and a half hours later.
Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna have to play with the the rear fender fitment. She's a little tight skis. I put this where people are like, oh, lower your car. Well, if I run it where it's supposed to be, the rim is tucked into the fender. It's like, it'll work though. I can easily put smaller wheel spacers on too. I've got big spacers on there. The back offset's huge. Sick, let's go take a break.